Experiencing issues connecting your T-Mobile hotspot to your laptop? First, ensure your hotspot is powered on and has a strong signal, ideally 3 to 5 bars. Determine if you're using Wi-Fi or USB. For Wi-Fi, double-check the network name and password. Forgotten your password? Use the T-Mobile app version 6.0 or higher to reset it via SMS. Mismatched passwords or caps lock errors are common, so verify carefully. For USB, ensure the cable is securely connected to both devices. If your laptop doesn't recognize the hotspot, install drivers from T-Mobile's website or the Hotspot's built-in portal. Start with power cycling the hotspot, checking network signal strength, and ensuring the laptop's Wi-Fi or USB ports are enabled. Wi-Fi is convenient for multiple devices, but can suffer from interference. USB offers a more stable, faster connection for a single device, especially beneficial for gaming or streaming. If Wi-Fi is problematic, try USB tethering. If problems persist, ensure both your hotspot and laptop operating system are updated to the latest versions. Incompatibilities can cause connection drops. T-Mobile's app can diagnose and remotely reset your hotspot. For persistent issues, USB tethering often serves as a failsafe. By 2025, expect AI-powered troubleshooting within the T-Mobile app to suggest optimal connection methods based on your environment. Using the latest version of everything will help minimize any potential problems.